UMphathiswa wezeMfundo kwiphondo laseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi bayenze yalula inkqubo yokufaka izicelo zokufunela abantwana izikolo kulonyaka. Inkqubo yokufunela abantwana izikolo kweliphondo ibikhalazelwa kakhulu ngabazali kuleminyaka idlulilelyo. Lesufi uthembise ngelithi zonke ingxaki bezikhalazelwa zilungisiwe. Le nkqubo iza kuvulwa ngomso ngentsimbi yesibhozo kusasa.
We are bringing back the integration of application to be one application. For example, if you have a child in grade 1 and 8, you don't have to apply separately. So you can just one user application apply for both of them. Secondly, we are also using the language, home language, so that you don't apply at a school that does not offer a language. So you can be in a position to get if that particular school will apply a language. But we have also linked it up with the home affairs, which is time saving. We just punch your ID number and all your names and everything is there. Even your address, whether in an informal settlement, if you don't have a physical address, we'll be in a position to pick up where you are when you are making that application, and you can lift your address and populate it. So it's exciting, and I want to wish all parents to come and apply. This time, no headache. We've upgraded the technical capability of the system to take almost 40,000 applications at the same time, which simply means we can even take 120 applications within an hour. So it's exciting. So parents must be ready to punch those numbers come 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.